morning, guys. Hope you are doing well. I will just give me a second to make something else. I really don't know what's happening with the internet. Okay, now it's good. Just give me a second. Just to send a message that we are live so people can join and learn more. Anyway, I'm seeing new people inside of Discord and that's making me happy. As you guys see here, you can just press this button to join my trading community. Just give me a second. I need to go and see my broker account because I was speaking with support and see if they did everything that I asked. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay, so everything is done correctly, they did everything good, so that's great. Just give me a little time more. So I hope you guys slept very well right now. So good morning, Marin. Fun fact, one fun fact. I was speaking to muted microphone. Anyway, good morning. So for today we are having a great weekend ahead of us. When we look at here, we have a good month. Yes, we have some kind of red days, but we will just execute those days before we got into news. But for now, I like what I see. Just to remove this. So US 30, USD. Maren, did you sleep very well? Did you guys sleep very well also? Or you did not? Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to Zagreb, so I woke up. Damn. Nice. Why are you going to Zagreb? Do you go on therapy or something else? Work. Eh, it is what it is. My nose is killing me. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Come on, come on. So just got the message that I'm quiet. So just let me know if I'm not quiet right now. I mean, the maybe because the reason behind that is because at start I was on headphones accidentally, so We didn't go on coffee. I know I said that I will call you, but we didn't go because we just stopped somewhere and we just made like with my laptop, and that's it, because he was in a rush. And we stopped at Verudela, just parking lot, and that's it. We just then go home because first of all I needed time to make some kind of posts for my Instagram and Twitter, and that's why I I just went, and he was going to some kind of grill, so barbecue. Anyway, I hope we managed to make his account. I know you're joking, I'm just saying. The reason behind that is when something happens around weekend, you want, basically there is no movement inside of market, so eventually just drop or just go above, depends what happened over the weekend. So that's why there is a big gap. You will usually see, for example, even inside of New York session, how it has happened. So right now we can see that we are pushing down, so if we break this low and come back, we are on a horse. So just give me a second to make a post. Guys, if you didn't just like this video, so we have more views on it. My voice is killing me. Let's see. Okay, so for now we will just wait. So I'll just mark on this, and we'll mark on this one, sorry. And same thing to here, on these two, and let's just watch how here price moves. Again, if you, morning Cesco, again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and that's it. So we can talk about something rather than me just keeping like not speaking anything. Let's see what we have on 4 hour, just to see direction. I mean, it's going to fill this opening gap that's right now doing it, and then we can see some kind of reversal down. So would love to see this one getting take, and then this low getting also like taken, because then we have market structure shift, but it needs to close under. Just give me a second. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, as I'm here and you guys are here, so why not learn more? I mean, this would be like the most beautiful trade. Take these highs, then take these lows and just reverse. That would be a great trade. So guys, just let me know if you have any questions. Do not hesitate to ask anything. So oop. GBP will have nice RR. Depends if we take this high first and then this low. For example, right now we need to take this low and then we can have entry. So it's not ideal. Anyway, you can see that euro is making new lows. So for example, we can see here that we could get this entry. If we look at 15, we can see that we are closing under, but we need to close under. That's how it works. So maybe because of this, but when we take Fibonacci, we can see that it's perfectly aligned with this entry, so that's why I would take it. But still, I would like to see going GBP up and then down, so that would be a great confirmation. So we can enter here, but it's 1 to 2 hour. That's not like trade you wanna take. I mean, you can, but I do not think that will make you profitable. I just want to see first close under. So I will just go with NAS or US30 with like not consolidation, with continuation. This trade would be like perfect trade, not gonna lie. Just because it's looking great, but only thing I want to see is like half of this week just to be closed under this black line, but it's keep pushing above more and more. That's great for GBP/USD because I want to see like above, not under. We are waiting for setup. It is what it is. Usually it's boring. Blah 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 blah. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. Monday. Okay, we closed under. Now we need to have a push up. Basically on tip of this. So you can see that we are in a golden zone with this fair value gap, so that would be a good fair value gap. Now just want to see like push. Dun, 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 dun. We could take this trade too like this, but I really don't like this kind of setups. I want to see like retracement with some kind of volume inside. So we are now just waiting for our entry, and that's it. You can place your trade. I will just let people know. How much is that when we see like percentage? So 6%, that's good. So just letting people know. And of course, in my ForexSignals VIP members, here is Euro USD trade, and now they know I'm in a trade. I mean, I'm leaving to be in a trade. For example, right now I'm placing aiming this low. So let's see if we get entry on here where we placed. So if it just go more and more down, I will not keep this trade. The reason behind that is it can reverse on us. So that's why you want to be strict with it. Let's just keep going. I mean, it's looking nice. It's showing a great thing. And even if we go more above, we have some kind of, not some kind of, it's order block plus FVG, so we can say that this is a strong resistance level. Okay, we can see that it's showing that it will push more down. If you don't understand any of this, feel free to ask and I will explain you. Do not hesitate to ask. Again, as I said, if you take this low, I will just move on with this trade because what's happening? Okay, it's restarting. So if it closes under, or if it takes this low, I will just remove this trade because then we can get something like this. So we pushed above, then pushed down, taking this liquidity and just moving on above, which then can be, for example, here fair value gap. And then if this fair value gap just works, it will just reverse on me, and that's why I would not like to be in this trade if we take this low first. But if we take first my entry and then low, that's great for me. So let's see. Do you have any questions right now? Come on, push above just a little bit and that's it, take us in. Let's see. So today is a chill day, so there is nothing to worry about. Just later on we have some kind of speak. Now let's see. Nice. It's great to see a pushing power. Sesko, did they say that, or did you get email about Forex broker that we yesterday did send pictures and everything? Dun 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 dun. 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 Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. We can see pushing more for sure. We did not push enough to go more down, so it will keep pushing more and more. let's see this trade. Oh, my back. Today is workout day. I will be doing chest. Can't wait for that. I love the best part of the day is working out, doing chest. Come on, just push more above. So if you look to be go into trading, I would recommend you, because you have the freedom. But after you find that freedom and manage to get that freedom, you really have a lot of free time. So that's one thing. But I mean, that's one problem. So yeah. So Nvidia has lost over 100 billion in market cap today. One of the largest companies in the world is trading like a meme stock. Damn, that's sad. But anyway, we will see. Come on, just one more push. Come on, push. Nice. Let's see this beautiful trade plays out great. I hope so. Just go with, you have like just a little bit pips, 30 like 30 ticks, nothing major. Come on, come on, come on, come on. GBP/USD is falling. Oh, we are back. Come on. This will be a nice trade. I'm happy to be entering in this trade. That's first of all. So we can see that we are in range, golden range, to get inside of this trade. Guys, leave a like if you did not leave a like, just to help me out. And that's it. Again, waiting for this to push more above. Come on. Let's not play around. I mean, that was a great push. And then we have something like this. Ah, fuck it. Wanting to see that. Hmm. 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 If you guys have any kind of questions, feel free to ask. We are just waiting to get entry inside of this trade. So again, if we really have any questions, feel free to ask them. I think this trade we will just exit this trade, because the reason we will take this low, and then if we push above, it can reverse on us and we can just lose money for no good reason. Let's see where it will go. I guess it's going down. Good trade on Nasdaq will be if we close above this fair value gap, and then okay, that's good. That is more likely what I'm looking for here on this trade, Euro USD. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I will be answering them for you if you have any. Plus, if you did not, if you can leave just a like, that would help me a lot. I just want to see like fast tapping, and that's it. For now, we are even up, so I'm not worried even if we lose, because you can see here we had a great weekend, week, and we are up so for 2,600 from this trading challenge. So right now we are looking for a better trade to get inside. Let's see how it will go. So when I look at 15, the major is basically this one. Minutes FVG, we have order block here. So there is order block and fair value gap here. So I will be careful here on, if we enter, I will be careful on here because we have like double FVG plus, I mean order block plus FVG. It's a like very strong type of support right now. So yeah, let's just wait. We do not need, I mean we don't want to be touched first here. I just want to touch entry and then go into trade. Nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Like trading is the most rewarding job, plus trading is the most boring job. Oh my god. So guys, if you have any questions, again, feel free to ask them. I will gladly help you out. Or you can join my Discord community and you can ask their questions too. So do not hesitate in any way to just ask some kind of questions. Come on, Euro. Don't do this to me. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. So if we touch this last low, we will just get out of the trade. Yes, that's true. We will. Because if we touches here, it will make same thing what happened here. So it will just do this. And this is the reversal thing. It's called market structure shift. Right now we got market structure shift inside of this like bullish setup, and then we got here market structure shift, and again just leave this trade, delete it, and that's it. Wait to leave. So you will see, I hope you can see this. So first we took this low. I will just take a screenshot just to show people go down, go up, and it can go again down and up. But I'm interested in this Nasdaq just to see if next candle is going to make some kind of fair value gap. But anyway, I exit this trade, deleted this trade, because I will not be happy if I knew that it's going to do this and then go more above, and after above it will just make a fair value gap, and after that fair value gap we need to break it. So I would not like to gamble and think, oh, maybe it will break or maybe it will not break. That's not how I play. So let's see how this works. Even though if it comes above, I will not be taking, but I will be looking just to see, to show what really would happen if we just let it be. So right now I will just wait for an S. So what I want to see is push above this line, and then what would happen, so here, 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 for example, like this, in smaller version, and just to move more above. That's how we got this trade on Friday. So basically you can see here, same thing. So we managed to break, then again we broke, and then we got here entry, and then just took TP. Whoop. So now I'm waiting for the same thing to happen here. It can happen here on US 30 or on NAS 100. So NAS 100 looks more beautiful because it's it's not some kind of big consolidation like here, but still if we watch 4 hour, yeah, we need to go more above. So this trade will go and be like fast one to get in fast. For example, if we got here fair value gap, I will just play this low and aim for 1 to 5 or 2 maybe. I will go for 2 as usual, and that's it. Let's see. Again, if you didn't leave a like, please guys, just leave a like. It does not cost you anything. You don't need to pay anything. Just leave a like. Opa. Opa. Dolazi Europa. Sad će danas bivsile svetske milicije. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Just don't force trades. Like, if it something happens, happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So I will just be like that and stay cold hard, like with a cold head, and that's it. So just to let you guys know, at 17th of February I will just go 1 week off, but I will trade still, like post trading trading signals and everything inside of Discord, but I will just go, I don't know, to Zagreb, and yeah, I will not be here. Even on Monday is bank holiday, so I will skip that one and leave, and that's it. Oh my god, this February is going to be hell. I already see it. Anyway, I'm okay with it, so let's just hope for the best. Nice. Come on, push more above, close more. This is more what I like. I just want to see like another candle, just push. That would be great. And we have this small fair value gap, which, I mean, it's not small, but still it can be helpful, and we can take something like this, 194 or 2R. So 2R is enough for me. That's it. Same thing is here, but I will go with one trade. I will just explain what I'm doing inside of Discord, so just to let them see what I will do. So just to place a trade, not to place a trade, just to adjust this fair value gap. let's just see how US30 is going on, what's happening. So right now US30 is okay, but Nasdaq, it seems like a little bit better for me. Nope, nothing. I'm just like sharing my thinking behind of trading, and that's why I am posting so much on inside my Discord, so you guys can see full process behind it. Maybe it sounds boring, maybe it's boring to read, but it is what it is, so you guys understand it more. I mean, there is still a trade between, if we just manage to go one more down candle and then push above, making again break of structure, that would be still a good trade. You will see now. If it happens, I will show you. So right now nothing to be traded on. Sad. GBP/USD is starting to push more down. That's looking great. Euro, I really don't know what's happening with euro, but I'm glad that I just left. So nice. I mean, that would be great, like to have one more pushing down and then again break of structure. Nice. I mean, this market is starting to listen to me. So that would be also perfect if we just break again these highs and make both, or if you want to call it break of structure. Nice. Euro is starting to close more down. That's great. You can see as the first, as I said, we could place, like I would just place it like this, as I said before, but I do not want to risk. I want to stick to my one and only trading plan, so that's why I didn't even bother. That's why I didn't even bother. I need to buy a new desk for my PC, not gonna lie. Come on, push it down more and take that TP. So would you consider, for example, this as entry? I just want to know if you guys listened to me in the past month of trading, do you think this would be a great setup for entry? Let's see who know or don't know this. Would this be a great setup for my entry? Or for your, however you want to call it. Guys, in description you have basically my Discord, so you can just join and be inside. Also, there is a live trading session, so you can also join there. And if you can, just leave a like, that would be good for me, very helpful. And if you really like this video, you can also comment on it. So you see this push down and then push above. I really don't like it. Dun, 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 dun. I will just go and make myself a coffee and I will be right back. Unfortunately, I need to drink black coffee because I'm on detox, hard detox from sugar or anything. So yeah, that's not what I like the most. Anyway, if there will be a setup while I'm gone, I will be looking at my phone, so I will just notify you if there will be any trades. So see you in just few minutes. But Nasdaq is looking the most great trade. I'm back, bitches. Yeah, we had a great push above, but unfortunately, we did not have close fair value gap. But it's such a good trade. It would be such a good trade. Anyway, this is not a trade that I took, just to let you guys know. But here, I mean, there is FVG between, so I would consider that as entry point. But let's just first see how it will go. So something like this would be looking when we place a trade. So yeah. So like this. But let's just first see. It's going to be a fast entry, so that's for sure. So I'll just prepare my MetaTrader and to see. I mean, no. Okay, so this was our first original trade that we was planning to take. I did not take this, just to let you guys know. I did not take this, and I said that inside of my Discord too. Anyway, let's see this how. So I will not trade anything for today. So maybe this will be a win or not, but on my MetaTrader I have overlapping these two candlesticks, so I'm not sure this will be a good trade for me. So that's why I left it. And I said that I will not be trading anything for today, but I will be looking at Euro USD just to show how you can prevent your stop loss and just to see if we will get stop loss hit. So yeah, as I said, so we managed to make market structure shift, then we again try to go higher, then again try to go lower, but we did not close lower. So that's the reason why I didn't want to be inside of this trade. Anyway, I prevented this loss too, so there will be a 2 loss basically, and that's why I took it. But to be honest, US30 would be great for sell, because you can see that we are going down. Just want to see it like close under. But anyway, I will just forget about today and I will trade tomorrow something. For now, nope. So the reason why I didn't enter this trade as example, I will just show it like this. And okay, we didn't have any kind of fair value gap, so that would be a good entry still, but I do not believe it. It could just reverse on us, so not happy with it. Let's just watch and see what will happen. GBP/USD is pushing down from this fair value gap. I did not take this trade, just to let you guys know. I just place it here to be as it is. I mean, if this close under with fair value gap, it's still a great trade to go sell. Same thing with US30. But I will not be doing that. I will just trade. And that's it. Now let's see if we close under this low. And if we close under this low, we are going more down. That's for sure. So for me, this would be around one, like when we take 20 with 4, so around 800, like 80 would be just this small movement, and I would make somewhere around 60 if I close this small gap. But anyway, that's not the point of trading. So if we did take this trade here, let's see how it will went. Did we prevent, like, did I just show people that this is not a good trade, or am I failed to do that? Okay, that was nice push by euro. I mean, if it goes to TP, that's great. I was right, so I'm still happy for it. I think this will be it for today. I will just keep like updating my Discord community about this trade that I was planning to take, just to see how much would I make if I just took it here, so around 200 and something ish. Yeah, so basically that's how easy it is after you get over 3k. Here I would made more. For example, here I would made around, so that's basically 1% more than 1%, so 1%, 300, depends on a lot. You can see that this would be a loss, and I'm grateful that we did not even take this trade, and I'm happy for it. So let's just wait and see what will happen. I mean, I will just close my live. It's pointless to be here. In my opinion, I can work on something else, which I'm working on promoting more, like Instagram account, sharing some kind of tips and knowledge about something. And plus I will be working on my course. My course will be like having a great thing. For example, I will be doing more videos with course, so that's going to be helpful for you guys too. So guys, thank you for listening and thank you for being here. I hope you did like this trading day, because we did not even trade, but we prevented few losses, and that was a great thing for me. Thank you, and see you tomorrow at the same time.